Yeah, I come up across some kind of a very nice soft white coral mushroom on this tree here. There's a piece there. There's another piece over there. Now, I don't do much with corals, so I'm not sure what they're like. I came here looking for bear's head or lion mane, and this is what I found. Definitely a coral. It's cool looking. That was pretty cool looking too. I'll have to come back and look. I don't know. Maybe this will turn into something else. Alright. We can get it focused here. There you go. We'll talk to you later. Bye.